This is the brand new iPhone 16, and here is my unboxing and review. Let's get into it. First up, we've got the iconic Apple packaging. It's super minimalistic as usual. The design looks stunning. It's a great design, as you can see. It looks sleek and glossy, and of course has the iconic Apple logo on the back. In the box, we have a USB-C charging cable and a couple of looks like instructions of some sort, but that's about it. There's no adapter here, and we've got to get this ourselves at some point. Let's move on to the phone and the design. The iPhone 16 is ever so slightly bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro, which I previously had. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate, so if you're watching videos or scrolling through social media, everything is going to look super smooth. Which, to be fair, I think it does. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the Apple A18 Bionic chip. This is Apple's most powerful chip yet, and it means it's going to be great performance and efficiency no matter what you're doing. The iPhone 16 Pro features a grade 5 titanium design, which makes it light and durable. It comes in a couple of color options, including black, white, silver, and a kind of dusty pink color. But the one that I went for was the space black, which I think looks amazing. There's a couple of options of when it comes to storage on the iPhone. You can get the 128 gig, the 256 gig, the 512 gig, or the 1 terabyte. Let's talk about the cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro takes things up a notch. Upgraded from the iPhone 11 Pro, so there is a big difference. It still has the triple camera system, similar to the iPhone 11 Pro, which I previously had, but I think that was a 12 megapixel camera, whereas this one has a 48 megapixel main sensor, alongside a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. These cameras now have a 5x optical zoom. So whether you're snapping wide shots, close-ups, or zooming in from a distance, you're gonna get some serious quality. And if you're a keen night photographer, you'll be glad to know that night mode has now been improved across all the lenses. When it comes to video, this comes in a 4K Dolby Vision video recording system, and this can shoot at 24, 25, 30, 60, and 100 frames per second. There is also 4 studio quality mics and built-in wind noise reduction. Now the Face ID is faster than ever, and that's thanks to the A18 chip. It even works if you're wearing glasses or a mask. This phone is also water resistant, so a little splash or drop of rain won't hurt the phone. Running on iOS 18, you've got all the new software enhancements like live widgets, improved focus mode, and interactive notifications. The iOS 18 brings more customization and power to your fingertips. Now, the battery on the iPhone 16 has been improved, and it should last you all day. And now you've also got fast charging that can juice your phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. But that's only if you go and purchase a 20-watt adapter, which Apple haven't included. One thing that did surprise me about the iPhone was the environmental side of things. 30% of the manufacturing electricity for the iPhone 16 Pro is sourced from renewable energy. And over 95% of the lithium in the battery is recycled, which is a first for Apple. Well, I like it. I think it's a great phone. I think it is definitely expensive feeling, but then again, that's probably what you should feel if you spent about £1,000 on a phone. I would say that the photos do seem like very good quality. It's just, I probably have to learn how to use the settings a little bit. Setup was easy, as you probably expect from an Apple product, but otherwise it feels like a pretty standard iPhone with a fair amount of upgrades. Personally, for me, the reason I wanted to upgrade to the new iPhone 16 Pro was that I loved the idea that I could shoot super high quality photos and super high quality videos. If that's what you're looking for, I would definitely upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro.